Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your MassMutual policy, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your MassMutual policy, first, gather your policy documents. Review your policy details to understand the terms of cancellation. Next, contact MassMutual's customer service at their official phone number. You can also visit their website for further guidance. Prepare your identification information and policy number for verification. Explain to the representative that you wish to cancel your policy. Inquire about any potential fees or consequences related to cancellation. Ask for an official confirmation of the cancellation process. If you prefer, you can send a written request for cancellation. Make sure to include your full name, policy number. Keep a copy of your cancellation request for your records. Follow up with customer service to confirm that your policy has been canceled. Allow a few days for processing and check your email for confirmation. Review any final statements or refunds associated with your policy. If you have any concerns, reach out to customer service again. Stay informed about any ongoing benefits or options that may still be available. Completing these steps will ensure a smooth cancellation of your MassMutual policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.